Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how to add Google widget on your home screen. See here, this is the Google search bar widget or Google widget you can say. I kept on my home screen, anywhere I can keep. So with one access I can just use the Google search or Google voice search. Okay, let me remove this and re-add it again. Sorry. So I just removed the Google search bar widget. So first of all, I am assuming you have Google app already installed on your mobile. So by if any chance if it is not installed on your mobile, you need to go to Play Store and install it. Once you install this, press and hold on your home screen for few seconds and sorry. Yeah, and click on this widgets, press and hold and click on this widgets and search for the Google here. Google, click on this drop down and just drag this and drop it wherever you want, but remember you need to have space on the home screen. Yeah, this is how you can actually decrease and increase the size of it. Okay, if you like this video, please do hit a like and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.